Introducing Priority ERP, a scalable, feature-rich cloud ERP platform that empowers organizations of all sizes to manage their businesses smarter. Let's zoom into the system. Priority's homepage offers easy access to extensive ERP functionalities across modules like finance, CRM, sales, purchasing, production, customer service, project management, inventory management, and more. It features advanced search capabilities, allowing users to quickly locate items. Widgets provide easy access to daily tools, spotlighting pending tasks. Recently accessed items and latest updates are also available. AI-based recommendations further personalize the workspace, and an automation hub offers various automations, from auto-filling data to automatic business rules, streamlining work processes and reducing errors. Priority module menus are full of functionality. As an example, let's look at the Finance module. Beyond standard features like accounts receivable, accounts payable, and the ledger, it extends to less common features such as budget control, cost allocation, and more. Priority's exceptional user experience enables customizable data views. Using the no-code portal generator, you can quickly create web pages and portals, such as a sales order page with a catalog view, improving data display and user interaction. The mobile app generator allows the creation of custom mobile apps for diverse business needs. Salespeople in the field, for instance, can manage all their tasks seamlessly from their mobile devices, ranging from making calls or sending emails, viewing a parts catalog, placing orders, scan barcodes, capture images, have customers digitally sign documents, and more. Priority also offers mobile applications for specific needs, including for field service technicians, sales agents, proof of delivery, and advanced delivery planning. The system includes a no-code intelligent workflow tool that simplifies the creation of business processes. Users can define steps and permitted paths between them, and set database and rule-based automations. In addition to utilizing a wide range of predefined reports, Priority's powerful analytics tool enables users to create detailed reports from any system feature. This no-code tool provides comprehensive insights into all business processes. With over 35 years of experience and recognition from leading analysts like Gartner and IDC, Priority has become the trusted partner for more than 15,000 businesses worldwide. Explore Priority ERP today.